Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn letter D with beautiful crafts. We will learn capital D and small d both. So for this craft I am taking yellow colored standing line cutout, one circle shaped cutout and one wing like cutout and one backward curve cutout. So your mom will cut these all for you. And I am taking orange paper cutout for feet. I have cut it 2 feet. And I have taken a cutout of heart shape in orange color. And one small white circle shaped cutout. So let's start capital D craft. You have to take glue and black sketch pen or marker and white A4 size sheet. So let's get started with standing line. We have to paste the standing line on this paper. So apply the glue which can be squeezed. So it will develop your gripping power and fine motor skills also. So I am pasting standing line here and then we will paste backward curve because letter D starts with standing line and then backward curve. So I have pasted letter D very nicely and it starts with standing line and ends with backward curve. Now take the circle shaped cutout of yellow color and paste it at the top of your letter D, right side like this. Now take the wing cutout and apply glue. Remember guys, the direction of the wing will be outside of your white sheet. So like this you have to paste it here at the center of your standing line. Now take the feet cutout and we will paste it at the bottom. Apply the glue as usual and paste it at the bottom of your letter D. Press it very nicely with both the hands. And one we will paste on the right side. Okay, no need to apply the glue in whole area. Now we will paste heart shaped cutout and we will make beak of duck. So now you come to know we are making duck because duck starts with letter D and its beginning sound is D. D, duck. Now I have pasted its beak and duck is yellow in color. Now I am pasting small white circle just above the heart shaped cutout like this. Now take the black marker or sketch pen and draw the eyeball of our duck. So I am making a small circle. See kids, our letter D craft is ready. This is capital D craft. First we have made capital D and we have made a duck with this. So D for duck. Now get ready for small d craft. For a small d craft we will need an A4 size sheet of white color and one standing line of green color, one forward curve of green color and one oval shaped cutout and one small white color circle and We will also need some small triangles, which is green in color. So let's start the craft and apply the glue on standing line first, because small d starts with standing line, and then paste it on the right side. So this is standing line. After standing line, we make forward curve. Always in small d, we make forward curve after standing line. You have to paste it like this. Now take the oval shaped cutout and paste it at the top of your small d, like this. Now take the small triangles we have cut it and paste it just above your forward curve. So one by one you have to paste it. You have to keep a distance. Do you know, kids, what we are making? We are making a dinosaur, and dinosaur starts with letter D. And now I am pasting eyeball. So D for dinosaur, dinosaur. Now I am making its smile and eyeball with black marker. So see, our dinosaur is ready, and it starts with standing line and forward curve, and we have all pasted the pointed part of its body. So today we have learned capital D and small d craft, and we have learned two vocabulary also, D for duck and D for dinosaur. Letter D sounds D. And do you know, kids, capital D and small d always faces each other. So I've written D for duck here and D for dinosaur here. Thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for my next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment for more videos.